Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Babu88 games. First, you will need to create an account, which typically takes just a few minutes. Provide your basic personal details, and then complete the verification process to ensure your account is secure. Once verified, you can easily deposit funds using one of several convenient payment options. With your account ready and funded, you are all set to explore the exciting world of Babu88 gaming. Babu88 provides a rich selection of game categories to suit every player's preference. You can dive into the thrilling world of sports betting, covering dozens of sports events daily. For an immersive experience, try the live casino, featuring professional dealers and classic games like blackjack and roulette. If slots are your passion, you will find hundreds of unique titles with diverse themes and bonus features. There are also many arcade and table games available. Once you have chosen a game, take a moment to understand its specific rules and betting limits. For instance, in sports betting, you might place a minimum wager of 50 units. In slot games, you can often adjust your bet per spin from 1 to 500 units. Always place your wagers thoughtfully, considering your strategy and budget. After the game concludes, any winnings will be automatically credited to your account, ready for your next play or withdrawal. Playing responsibly is crucial for an enjoyable experience. Babu88 encourages players to set personal limits on deposits and playtime, helping you manage your gaming habits effectively. If you ever feel your gaming is becoming problematic, utilize the available self-exclusion tools. Remember, customer support is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to assist with any questions or concerns you may have. Play smart and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.